sadly developers want this church as well. I've been coming here for about 10 years. Now, I won't say my normal phrase, what I normally say to developers, because it's a church, but it's something bulldozers. This is Waverley House in Digbeth. Compulsory purchase order to the council, and then the council are going to sell it to you know what. This is a bit of a Ladywood situation, and I don't like it. We've just had prayer meeting, and that one of the main topics was actually a building fund. Now, most of the churches in Ladywood are going to get knocked down, so probably a bit of solidarity as well as funding might be key here. So I'm going to get in contact and pass on details and just pray for, and see what happens. Seen this keyboard played many a times on Sundays. Really good musicians here. They rap, they're brilliant. Some rules have changed. Like this, they've set this up over the last few years. I really like these lights. Really smart. My ex-boyfriend Ariel Vieira actually converted here. Became a charismatic Catholic, and it was on March the 7th of 2022. And he is very committed now, and he does a lot of justice and stuff. Ariel converted just out there on March 7th that year. That is a memory that I'll never forget. Ariel does not like seeing buildings bulldozed. He's actually stopping demolitions in other cities. But I believe God called him to do what he does and to win a Peabody.